This show, weekend analysis. Why? I want to talk about, because it's been in the news, okay, what's going on in Venezuela. Everybody's got different ideas. What's the sensitive side? What do you really got to watch? And everybody's talking about oil and how we take over the oil over there. And my opinion is, I've been doing this a long time, and if you look at Venezuela, okay, very fertile country, one of the most fertile countries on this planet. But the world consumes a certain amount of oil every day. Okay, 100 million, close to 100 million barrels. You know how much Venezuela produces? 1 million. So it produces 1% of the oil on this planet that gets consumed every day. So it doesn't sound like it's a lot, but it's the oil that they do produce is very sensitive. Okay, it's kind of like knowing the difference between crude oil and olive oil. Well, what makes what? Okay, it makes the oil that the U.S. needs, because that's U.S. lifeblood has been gasoline. So our opinion is, when we see this, you hear the U.S. is taking delivery of 50 million barrels of oil. They're going to sell it at the market. You say, oh, extra oil is going to get sold. Okay. I don't know this for a fact, but that kind of oil is the one we need to make gasoline. So what do we do down here? We look at the price of gasoline. If you've been following the group, last week we put it out. So we love the price of gasoline down here. And what do? We traded it. We bought gasoline. Okay? Just watch our videos. So gasoline, in our opinion, is the most sensitive thing here. What happened to gasoline? Look at that move. This is a daily chart. She's talking about 1, 2, 3 days. Go from $1.66, 67 to $1.80. Sell it out, cash in. If it pulls back, we think gasoline now has put in a big time bottom. And Venezuela and this story is exposing it. Okay, now this is a time of the year where you look at heating oil, you look at things that keep you warm. Okay, so gasoline is on the back burner. And our opinion is, because the price is down here, gasoline is not on a back burner. So we look for opportunities in gasoline. You can look at some of the equities. We'll show you one that's leading the way. Why? Because it's a refiner. What does a refiner do? It takes oil, turns it into a product. In our opinion, the biggest refiner that we've been trading all last year, Valero. Okay, you tell me. Look at Valero. Okay, where are the margins? Where are the profits in a refiner? So we like trading gasoline futures, which we do. We also trade refiners, but this is giving you also a litmus test. So the Venezuelan news, in my opinion, is opportunities to trade gasoline. So watch yourself here. Don't listen to what goes on, but also listen to the things that you're not hearing. And I think gasoline is the thing you're not hearing about.